If you want this design as well, you can find one on Pixabay, and it's by Gogri user. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's free to use. You can download it and you can use it. So it's brilliant because, you know, we should always be considerate of where we get our templates from and vector designs, because not all of them are free to be used. But this one is actually fine. I will link it in the description box below under the video. The brass sheet I ordered from Cooks on Gold, and this one is 0.70 millimeters, I believe. I've printed out this design on a label sticker paper. I also tried different sizes, so this is the one I'm gonna go for. I'll start by sewing the entire shape out of this metal sheet. To sew out the shape of the wool from the inside, you will need to get in there, and the best way to do it will be to drill. I actually am going to use disc cutter in this case, and the smallest cutter, because there's a lot of space in there and it's just a very quick and fast solution for me, so that's why I'm gonna do it now. For sewing out the inside, I'm going to use 4/0 saw blade. So now that we have an opening, we can thread the saw blade through this hole, and now it's easier to cut out the shape from the inside. Hand files. This could be a Cat 2 file, for example, a coarser one, or needle files or buffing sticks, honestly whatever feels good to smooth out the edges, maybe correct the shape if there are some uneven areas, but files are excellent for this job. Now it's time to finish the surface, and honestly it's completely up to you what you're gonna choose to do it. I am personally going to go for some attachments for my rotary tool to smooth out the edges a little bit more, to finish it, make it nice and even, and then to use some bristle attachments to smooth out the surface as well. And I think I'm gonna go for brushed effect or like a satin effect, And for that, I'm going to use this special attachment that creates this effect. I'm gonna show you a bit more about this in one of the upcoming tips and hacks videos, but today you can see how this works. Last step is to clean it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!